Also very amazing today on the 13th of March 2023. We have Fleminginkatu 7, staircase C, but it's also the Agricola-koja, like what maintenance are? Building 6. It's built in 1936, 1985 is already 2021. Just probably organized in the 1970s with every 6 pictures. Inside here, the silver is 991. To the first times. And the service 2 rights. It will be inspected in 2025. So here in Kone, Helsinki, modernized Finland. That was a bit weird.
Yeah.
If you lock the door.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, same.
So, I don't know. It's weird.
Yeah. But I think no.
It's a risk.
Yeah, but we can. I don't have enough battery to wait for 10 minutes or something.
No. Let's hope he's not there.
Yeah. Inspected by Lift Control Finland, maintained by Backup Service Keskus.
Well, this time not alone, or you're not alone. This one has also interesting sounds here. Quite unusual, I would say.
Yeah.
Yeah. He wasn't there, but
Yeah.
because it just didn't sound like he locked the door.
Yeah.
That's why this was a bit of a nervous video, but it doesn't. It's fine. Sometimes it's better to have 2 rights nervously, but I think I wondered.
Yeah. Because the machinery is original.
And that's why this is also one of the best in Helsinki today,
Yeah.
because it has the original machine. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this elevator as much as we did.
That